So in this Fiverr.com tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to download an invoice here on Fiverr.com. So let's just say you made a purchase on Fiverr, you want to download an invoice to show the work for your records or whatever. Go to the top right, press on your profile picture, then go to where it says billing and payments. Once you're on this screen, make sure that the billing history is selected. Now what you're going to see here is all the past billing that you've done. So in this case, I made one purchase back in 2022. Logo design cost me $31 CAD. There's my order type. If you want to download the invoice of this, simply go ahead to where it says PDF right here. Press this download PDF button, and it's going to download an invoice of this exact order to your computer, or I guess if you're on the phone, it could be to your phone as well. But it's super simple, super straightforward. That's how you guys can download an invoice here on Fiverr.com. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.